Pleasant day to all. My name is Polar Jem de la Serna, and this is my final exam in the NGEC 10. And I am 22 years old. I live in Barangay San Guillermo, Mataco, Leyte. Currently enrolled in BSMT1, Charlie. So, here are the following questions I would be answering in my final exam. So, first is, should same-sex marriage or union be legalized in the Philippines? Explain your answer objectively with philosophical principles. So, my stand about this as a citizen here in the Philippines, my answer would be no. My answer would be to not legalize this same-sex marriage or union. It's because by law, of course, by law and our moral principles, marriage is between a man and a woman. Right. So it is between a man and a woman. They get married, they start a family, go on with their life, so on and so forth. But marriage in a same-sex marriage is contradicts this kind of morality, our morality, our true values. Having the same sex undergo our sacred ceremony in our religion, and also um, by no by our moral objectives and by the statement itself of a marriage between a man and a woman. Same sex, they can have the freedom. They have the freedom to be together as they want, and or whatever they choose. But marriage is a different thing. That's all. So next is two. Second question is, gender ideologies are at play in a debate over whether gender is assigned at birth or established at conception and recognized at birth. So with this essentials is backed by philosophy and science clearly explain. Gender is assigned at birth, obviously. So gender, man, a male, a female. A male have a male gametes, female have a female, and a male, of course, by birth, at birth, they have testicles, they have an XY chromosome, and the female have their vagina and XX chromosome. So philosophically, and of course explained by science, gender is assigned at birth, not to be recognized, not to be established at the conception, whether you're a male or female, and so on and so forth. And of course, factual says it also can be seen by the naked eye. A male, has a penis, and a female has a vagina. That's all. Thank you.